Immerse in the world of options trading, where the expiry date is a critical player. This date signifies the last breath of an options contract, holding importance for both buyer and seller. American options offer flexibility, allowing exercise anytime up to and inclusive of the expiration date. European options, however, wait patiently for the expiration date to exercise. Here's an interesting fact. Options that expire out of the money vanish from the account, becoming worthless. Traders can either hold their breath until expiry or choose to close the position early. The expiration date is a key aspect when evaluating potential options positions, influencing price and time value of the option. Remember, knowledge is power. Be aware of your product's exact expiration date and time for informed decision-making. While options technically expire at 11:59 a.m. on the expiration date, public holders can exercise their options contracts only until 5:30 p.m. the day before. Stay informed, stay ahead.